Top 5 Best Sarms and Peptides for Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding, a sport of aesthetically pleasing muscles. But how does one even begin to entertain the idea of becoming a bodybuilder? What about if you're just starting off? Are there faster ways to gain muscle? Of course, there is, within reason. No, this is not in reference to anabolic steroids. Instead, it is in reference to better substances that in most cases work with your body instead of creating more issues. The substances I am referring to are SARMs and peptides. Learn all about how these top 5 substances can help you on your fitness journey. What are SARMs? SARMs are a class their own of drugs that can be used by bodybuilders. Many of these substances are also used as a way to see higher gains much faster than taking the traditional route. The phrase SARMs is an acronym for Selective Androgen Receptor Modulator. Because they are selective in nature, these substances are gaining interest in the bodybuilding community. Anabolic steroids have ruled this sport for years, however, with the introduction of these new compounds, steroids may soon be out of a job. When using anabolic steroids, there is an almost undeniable understanding that you will experience pretty nasty side effects. This is due to most steroids' work. If you're lucky, you'll only experience nausea. However, for many that is not the case. Things like acne and gynecomastia are more prominent under the side effects. Since SARMs are selective in nature, they only attach to the bone and muscle tissue of their selected area. They are considered to be androgen receptor ligands. This means that they have similar effects to steroids, except the side effects are not as lethal. Of these substances, 3 are the most prominent in the bodybuilding community. Those 3 are Rad-140 Testosterone, Mk-2866 Ostarine, and Mk-677 Ibutamorin. Rad-140 for rapid muscle development. When thinking about which supplement you'll want to take, many things factor in. The number 1 factor is to ensure that when taking SARMs, you monitor your testosterone. Not sure how to do that? There is an article for that too. So, what happens if your testosterone is off? You can attempt to realign it by getting a good night's rest or eating healthier meals. However, if that doesn't work, there is another option. Many individuals undergo a treatment known as testosterone replacement therapy. However, Rad-140 is being tested as a replacement for this kind of therapy as it is less intrusive. This compound not only aids with rapid muscle growth, it helps with an array of other enhancements. Other things you can expect is improved stamina, better bone health, and inhibited fat production. When looking to become an award-winning bodybuilder, this is the top dog for getting ripped. Strength, power, and endurance with Ostarine. Enobosorm, or Ostarine, also goes by the name Mk-2866. This SARM is known to enhance not only your endurance but your power and strength too. Its most popular use for bodybuilders is in stacks that aid in either bulking up or cutting back. Haven't heard of stacking SARMs before? Then check out the most common stacks here. In one of the most common studies, Ostarine was used with participants to see its effectiveness. With those that participated, there was a significant increase in speed and power on the stair climber machine. Not too bad if you're looking for a better, more effective endurance level. Rest and relaxation with Ibutamorin. When it comes to giving your body a break, Mk-677 is a great option. In a study done with individuals between 18 and 71, Ibutamorin showed an affinity to improve sleep quality. Not only this, it aided in correcting hyposomatotropism. In addition to sleep, Ibutamorin also improves libido and metabolism. This means that you'll be at optimal levels getting through the day. It works by increasing growth hormone and IGF. This also means you'll be able to create lean muscle mass faster as well. So, if you're looking for a SARM that will aid in sleep, mood, and muscle, then ibutamoren is for you. What are peptides? Peptides work with the body naturally, making them enticing as a performance enhancer for many fitness enthusiasts including bodybuilders. But what are they and how do they work? These compounds consist of short strands of amino acids. These strands, also known as chains, are within 50 amino acids or less. Peptide bonds link the amino acids together. The various types of substances are classified by how many amino acids are within the chain. Those that have 10 to 15 amino acids are referred to as a dipeptide, tripeptide, or tetrapeptide. All three of these are subcategories of a group known as oligopeptides. Unlike other synthetic substances, they occur naturally within the body. Over time, our bodies start to lose their ability to create peptides naturally. This is where synthetic compounds come into play. In most cases, synthetic versions are lyophilized for the purpose of transportation as well as to keep them fresher longer. This means that once you get yours, you'll have to reconstitute it with the right liquid. So then how can they help you if you're a bodybuilder? For starters, there are several compounds that aid muscle growth, weight loss, and healing. They can be used as a way to get you back on your feet faster. When it comes to popularity, two peptides beat out the rest. These two are ipamorelin and hexarelin. Ipamorelin for lean muscle. According to the definition from the previous paragraphs, ipamorelin can be considered an oligopeptide. It consists of a 5-amino acid chain. The main purpose of it is to be a secretagogue. In other words, it helps secrete certain hormones. Ipamorelin secretes growth hormone and works to mimic ghrelin. This is a substance that naturally occurs in the stomach. It is most sought after by bodybuilders because of its ability to promote lean muscle mass. In addition to lean muscle mass, you can expect a boost in your immune health as well as your metabolism. If you're lucky, you may even experience some anti-aging benefits from this substance. Hexarelin for improved strength. Hexamorelin, more commonly known as hexarelin, is a common peptide in the bodybuilding community. It is derived from GHRP6. It is a hexapeptide based on its formation and is also a secretagogue. However, it is more of a selective agonist of the ghrelin receptors than ipamorelin. The interesting fact is that neither substance share a sequence remotely close to ghrelin. By helping with the release of growth hormone, the body develops muscle. In addition to muscle, you're also more likely to burn fat. Something else on the spectrum of interesting was a study performed using rats and hexarelin. Rats' hearts were notably protected after the treatment. Are you ready to become a world-renowned bodybuilder but not sure of where to go to get the best stuff to start? Then Paradigm Peptides may be just what you need. Paradigm Peptides and the sport of bodybuilding. Paradigm Peptides has been in the business of peptides, SARMs, and research chemicals since 2014. All of the products available have undergone stringent testing to aid in the well-being of our customers. Customer safety is our #1 priority, which is why we provide numerous articles to learn about each of our products prior to purchasing. So, what do you say? Want to start today? Let's go.